Papakita guys. Oh, nakishare. Weird. Ang creepy niya.
Continuation na nga ito ng araw namin sa Toronto after namin matapos sa Niagara Falls Tour. Pagkatapos kami ngihatid pabalik sa downtown, naglakad kami pabalik ng hotel at nagpalit ng damit. Itong araw talaga yung pinakamaganda at sunny sa buong 4 days namin dito. Kaya nagpasya naman kami na libutin yung Chinatown nila. Ang Chinatown nila is isang vibrant and historic downtown neighborhood centered around Spadina Avenue and Dundas Street West, famous for its bustling open-air markets, authentic Asian restaurants, and unique shopping malls. Pag gusto nyong try kumain ng mga cuisine nila dito, meron silang offers ng wide array of authentic dining options including ang napakasarap na dim sum, handmade dumplings, traditional noodle houses, and fresh barbecued meats. Nagulat nga kaming dalawa dahil sobrang laki ng size nitong Chinatown nila. Pumasok din kami sa Dragon City Mall sa Chinatown.
Nandun ba yun?
Napadaan nga kami dito sa isang jewelry store and nasabi ni Gia na magpagawa daw kami ng custom rings. Pero wala na kasi kaming time kasi paggabi na din. So naghanap na lang kami ng mga kainan na masarap dito sa Chinatown. So yung kinainan namin dito is nasa loob ng Dragon City Mall. Napakamura niya guys. So ito yung juicy dumplings. Meron silang dim sum, merong mga tempura, chicken wings, tapos itong parang mochi na ube.
In the Master Chef kitchen.
I've been cooking since I was like 12. Now I'm in the Master.
Pagkatapos naman namin kumain, nagpahinga lang kami ng konti and na-enjoy namin yung pool na solo namin. So, meron din silang pool dito and meron ding hot tub.
Golden hours, cold water waves. I promise this can never be a phase. Laughing, dancing till we tired. I trust you that you'll never misbehave. Pretending that this is our home, so we can cherish these moments. Drawing circles on your back to keep you right by my side. I could swear on you right where I need you.
See you tomorrow.
Kinabukasan naman, pumunta kami sa mall and nagmerienda kami ng saglit. Ako kinain ko tong famous na matcha ice cream nila. And then pumunta na kami sa Ripley's Aquarium. And yung specific na ticket na binili namin is yung Sharks After Dark na exclusive lang. So meron siyang magandang view ng mga iba't ibang sharks, tapos na-enjoy na namin yung show tsaka yung buong araw dito sa aquarium. So Ripley's Aquarium of Canada is a world-class public facility right next to the CN Tower. It features over 20,000 aquatic animals across 450 species, North America's longest underwater viewing tunnel, and 9 district galleries.
Papakita guys. Oh, nakising. Ayan na. Anong tawag dito? Weird. Ang creepy niya. Kaya...
Palibay siya sa gitna. I'm correct.
Mga gang. Hindi kami naglalaro guys. Magalaw kami.
It's so weird. There's chlorine and fluorine in our.
May labi. Welcome to Mama. Endangered na bago. There's shark. Endangered na rin. Vulnerable. Saan tayo?
The fish club will be so cool.
Kurang bumali.
Dun, 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 dun.
Pag bumagsak siya, nag-crack pa pata.
Kami ni Bro. Very fishy.
Toronto! Kaagaling lang namin sa Replace Aquarium kanina. For sure nakita nyo na yung video or hindi pa niya na-edit to. Di ba, Miss Editor?
Yan, di pa na-edit kasi nandito pa rin kami.
Pagbalik na lang ng
This
Edmonton.
is live. Pero hindi na live pag in-edit ko.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you can save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you. Oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place.